Hello everybody, this is Steve Grizzetti, your man from Movie Picks and the author of the Movie Picks Guide to Adobe Premiere Elements. And here we are in Premiere Elements 2025 looking at some of the cool new upgrades to the program. One of the biggest upgrades is its ability to do color grading and use LUTs. Now LUTs are lookup tables. What they are essentially is preset color grades for your videos. Color grades really are what make movies look like movies. They give it a distinct look. They can magnify the mood of a scene, making it creepier, making it more exciting, making it more colorful, making Florida look more like Florida, making the desert look more like the desert. And you have the option to control LUTs and use LUTs here in the program. With the clip selected on the timeline, if you go over to the right-hand side of the program and from the tool bin or the toolbar, select Tools, and color correction and grading. There's an input LUT, which we're not going to deal with right now. That has to do with basic color setup for your video. But we're going to look at the creative aspect of color correction and grading. So I've got this simple picture of downtown. We go under or toggle open creative. And you notice we have a library of LUTs. Now these LUTs are simple to apply. You simply select them. I can apply Daylight Dream. And you notice how it modifies the video's look. I can select Candlelight, Edgy Amber. Some really nice ones in here. You can see how they dramatically change the entire mood of your movie. Morning Mist, Teal Orange, Vivid Green. They're pretty cool. Now what makes LUTs especially cool is that they're plugins that can be easily downloaded and added to your library. So this is the basic library that comes with Premiere Elements, and there are some very nice ones in here. But you can also add LUTs that you download from the internet, and people are giving them away free. You just look up CLUTs or color lookup tables, and you're going to see lots and lots of these. Great many of these come in sets. So for instance, if I were to select from here custom as my option, I can browse to, in my documents area, I keep my LUTs, and here's a package of 35 of them that I downloaded. And these are all LUTs you can add to your movie simply by selecting them. So to add to the program, for instance, Neon, I select that, click Open, and there's my Neon 770 look. Not a big change to the movie, but here it is with none. Here it is with that custom lookup table, and we can try a different one here. Let's see if we can try one called Sprocket. Very slight, but enough of a gradation change or a color grading change to modify your movie and make your movie look less like a video, less like it was shot with a home camcorder, and more like a professional feature film. LUTs are fun to play with. Like I say, so many of them are free. And the program has a nice library also that you can modify once you download. And I encourage you to experiment and look at some of these LUTs and play around with them, because they can really make your movie look like a professional feature film. Now, if you want to know more about LUTs, you want to know more about color correction, you want to know more about everything that this program can do, I hope you'll check out the Movie Picks Guide to Adobe Premiere Elements 2025. That's available at Amazon.com. I'm Steve Grizzetti. I'm the guy who wrote the book. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again real soon. Take care.